Here I have TECNO Pop 7, and today I'm going to show you how to enter Fastboot Mode on this device. So first you will have to turn your device off by holding down power key, then swipe power off, then wait until your device completely turns off, vibrates, and after that you can hold down combination of keys, power key plus volume down at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. And after the screen turns on and you can see TECNO logo appeared, you can release power key and keep holding only volume down. Just like this. In the following menu you have to use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and select an option Enter Fastboot. And after that you will end up in the Fastboot mode. So here, just like in the previous, you can use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have such options as Reboot System Now, Enter Recovery, Reboot to bootloader, and Power Off. So to quit this mode, just select the first option, Reboot System Now, and device will be restarted just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.